Hello everyone, imagine this. You have a treasure trove of YouTube videos packed with valuable insights, but manually turning them into LinkedIn posts feels like a never-ending chore. What if there was a way to automate this entire process, seamlessly connecting your content to your audience? Well, meet the game-changing n8n automation, a smart, efficient, and creative solution that takes YouTube video URLs from a Google Sheet and transforms them into engaging LinkedIn posts. Using the power of automation and AI, this workflow ensures every video gets its moment to shine while you save time and effort. Let's dive in and see how this incredible system works. So here's the structure of overall workflow. Now let's dive in and build it from scratch. Step 1 begins with a trigger. This automation. To do this, you have to add test workflow node. It sets the entire process in motion. Now next, we connect to Google Sheets. Just add a Google Sheets Get a Row module. Here, add a Google account by clicking here. Where your sheet is stored. After that, select the sheet. Here I have created a following fields in sheet like link, status, and LinkedIn. Here I have add this YouTube URL and change the status to not done. Now we have to add filter with column name status in n8n. Which have a value not done. So basically this node reads the sheet and retrieves the URLs for processing. Now next is to add loop over items node. With the loop over items node, we process each video URL one by one, ensuring every link gets the attention it deserves. Here select the batch size to 1. Now next is to add edit fields node in loop node. In this step, we use the edit fields node to prepare the data. Here set the field YT_link and grab the link from Google Sheet. Now next is to add code node. This custom code node is to scrap the video ID from the link. This includes link and video ID. Here we are using this code to get a video ID. Now next is to add HTTP request node. In this we use RapidAPI for generating the transcript of video. Here go to rapidapi.com and sign up first. After that, and search for YouTube Video Summarizer. Here you see the API key. Copy it and do same these configurations like this. Here paw the API key in this header parameter. Now next is to add edit field node gain. This node basically contains all the transcripts of the video. Here set the field like this. Now next is to add code node again. This code basically combined all the transcripts of the video. Here I have choose this code for combining all the transcripts. Now, here's where the magic happens. We leverage a basic LLM chain node to generate a professional and engaging LinkedIn post tailored to the video's content. Just add LLM chain node. This basically arranges the content in well-structured, highly organized outlines. Here we have write the system message for doing this. To add a conversational touch or refine the generated post further, we integrate a Grok chat model. This step ensures your post resonates perfectly with your audience. Here, search for Grok chat model. Now, for using Grok, you have to generate the API key from console.grok.com. Here you have to sign up first. After that, go to API key section. Generate the API key and copy it. And in Grok chat model, click on Create New Credentials and paste the API key there. After that, select any of the model that you want. Now next is to add LLM chain node again. This basically helps to generate the LinkedIn content and crafting them in post. Here, pass the text from previous chain and write the system message for creating the LinkedIn content. Now connect this with Grok chat model. Now final is to add Google Sheet update row node. This will update the selected field with the content. Here, match the column with link and here grab all the fields with corresponding and change the status to done. Now here we have created the workflow successfully. It's time to check it. Copy the link of any YouTube video and paste it to the sheet, and here select the status to not done. Now click on Test Workflow. Here you see the workflow is executing. Now the workflow is executed successfully. Now we have to see whether the data is stored in Sheet or not. So you see the data is stored in Sheet successfully. So this is the power of this powerful automation. And there you have it. A powerful n8n automation that takes YouTube video URLs, crafts professional LinkedIn posts, and updates everything in one seamless flow. If you found this automation inspiring, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from automating their workflows. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips, tutorials, and automation ideas. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts, or let us know what automation you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!